Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Happy Soul and Happy Life. In today's video showing you the weekend gateways from Bangalore. The place is called Sakaleshpura, which is around 220 kilometers from Bangalore. We started early morning around 7 am from Bangalore via Hassan district. The weather is just perfect and so cloudy, and from Sakaleshpura, there are a lot of places to visit. If somebody is wanted to work from stay vacation, you can also visit from Sakaleshpura. There is a lot of places like Coorg, Chikmagalur. These are the couple of places you can visit. There are a lot of places to visit in Sakaleshpura. We'll share all the information in the video, so stay tuned till the end. Near Nelamangala towards Hassan district, there is a tasty breakfast spot. It's a Tatte Idli, which is very tasty and healthy. We had our breakfast there and started from there. We reached Sakaleshpura around 10:30 in the morning, and this is the resort called the Nature Estate we stayed. It's one of the beautiful and mesmerizing place with a lot of indoor games, outdoor games, and the stay and the food is absolutely amazing. Really, we had a great fun and a lot of good memories. We stayed 2 nights and 3 days. We'll share all the resort details in the description because they have a lot of varieties of houses like wood house, bamboo house, glass house, lot of other different varieties of houses. Each prices are completely different. They have these cute rabbits, ducks, lovebirds, and other dogs and cute animals. And this is the view of the resort. This is the entry, and these are the small cages for the birds and the dogs. And this is one of the beautiful small pond. The house we can see is called meditation center, where if somebody wanted to relax, and also next to that has a bamboo house. The resort is completely with loads of greenery and very peaceful and calm environment. They have a lot of different houses. We stayed in this glass house. This is the early morning view, which is absolutely amazing. You can literally see the coffee plantation and the pepper plants. This is the glass room view. They have 2 rooms like this, but the view is completely amazing. You get up in the morning and see this greenery, which is amazing. This is the another room which has 1 bed with again the glass view with complete coffee plantation and the pepper plantation. And from here you can see another house. This is the lunch they are provided with the starters and couple of snacks and roti with the 3 to 4 varieties of veg curries, and the non-veg also they provided. This is the palya and the fried rice, dal curry, tomato curry, and the white rice with the curd and They have few papads with the rasam. The food is absolutely delicious and very healthy, with loads of varieties of veggies. After the food, we saw all the houses in the resort. This is the green house where you can celebrate the birthday parties. This is the house on the top, and everywhere you can see lots of greenery. The resort is completely with lot of tea plantation, coffee plantation, and the pepper tree plants. This is the terrace part where you can come in the evenings and spend some good time. Here also they have decorated with the pillars. As I told you, in the resort they have lot of outdoor and indoor activities. This is the Burma Bridge where you can have some activities in the daytime, and you have the walking path also, where if somebody wants to go for a walk, they can enjoy their beautiful nature. They also have these other houses like wood house. The weather is just awesome. It was just drizzling, and it's really awesome to see this rain and coffee plantation. This is another wood house which is so beautiful. We came to this place twice because we liked it so much, and we spent the whole day in the resort itself. This is the evening time. Behind the resort there is a small pond where you can come and relax for some time. Beautiful spot for the photo shoots you can have in the evenings or mornings. In the evening we spent a lot of time playing the indoor games like foosball and other indoor activities. During the dinner time, they have arranged the campfire also for us with the nice music. So the entire day we spent in the resort itself. The second day will continue. The next day started with a healthy and tasty breakfast with a nice coffee and tea. After that we started for a long drive. Nearby places like small rivers, and we were going for Mookannamane waterfalls, which is around 40 kilometers from the resort, and also we covered nearby lakes on the way. But if somebody is coming for the first time and wanted to cover the Sakleshpur nearby places, there are few must visit places from Sakleshpura, which are like a couple of things I'm mentioning. Manjarabad Fort, Sakaleshwara Temple, Bisili Reserve Forest, and there is one of the must visit places, Halabedu and Beluru temples, which are the olden temples with a beautiful architecture. There is another Agniguda Hills, Manjalahalli waterfalls, and from Sakleshpura, if you go another 30-40 kilometers, you have this Kukke Subramanya Swami temple, which is a very famous temple. After that, they have Jenukal Gudda, Pandavar Gudda, Hemavati Dam. These are all the couple of must visit places if you are going for the Sakleshpura. These are the couple of scenic views while going to the Mookannamane waterfalls. And if you like the resort and wanted to know more details, I have given all the details in the description box, and the owner details you can contact. And because they have different varieties of houses, each house prices varies starting from 2000 to 4000 rupees per person. You can check and contact the owner about the details for staying. These are the couple of lakes on the way we explored. Every 15 to 20 kilometers there is a small waterfall or a small pond or a small lake we can see. This is the Mookannamane waterfall. The water flow is more, so we just went and had spent couple of hours there, and from there we returned back to the resort. If you love to travel and wanted to spend a week or 10 days, don't forget to visit Coorg and also Chikmagalur from this Sakleshpura. Hope you like this weekend gateway. For more such interesting videos, please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more such interesting videos. Thank you.